William Richard Smallwood, September 30, 1928 to October 30, 2001, was a Canadian politician. He represented the electoral district of Green Bay in the Newfoundland and Labrador House of Assembly from 1956 to 1971. He was a member of the Liberal Party. He was born in Corner Brook in 1928, the son of Newfoundland Premier and Canadian Father of Confederation, Joey Smallwood, and his wife Clara Oates. He was their second child and had an older brother, Ramsay, and younger sister, Clara. He attended the Curtis Academy, Memorial University, and Dalhousie University, earning a LLB degree. He was a lawyer in St. John's. On May 27, 1971, Smallwood assaulted William Marshall on the floor of the House, and was issued a 5-day suspension. John Crosby was given a 3-day suspension after accusing Joey Smallwood of approving of William's behavior, while Marshall and H.R.V. Earl were suspended for criticizing Speaker Clark. In 1983, he suffered stab wounds in an altercation with his son, William Roy Whiteway Smallwood, who was charged with attempted murder. He died in St. John's, Newfoundland and Labrador in 2001. References